Welcome back. Got two for you here. The Stars Rain and a Rusty Machine. Here we go. The beautiful sky fills these eyes, the wind blows through my sails. Lovely mists kiss my skin, cooling down desire, calming the yearning to fly just a little higher, all the way to ozone's end as I cool back down again. And here is a Rusty Machine. A drifting mind, a foreign sign, an empty cup, broken vision, frozen dream, brightened hope, daily float, rusty bot, cogs sticking, pistons humming, blood burrows, sugar-coated truths, dirty taste, miles behind, stalemate, yet flowers overcome the concrete. Thank you for listening. And do like, share, subscribe, and come back and see me again.